This is Ross Dollinger from Science Glen. I want to quickly go over a little bit of chemistry. Okay? It'll be painless, honestly. So let's start. So we're going to start talking about lead. So lead can form two different kinds of ions, lead-2 and lead-4. Let's look at the flashcards and start from there. So let's say we're going to make lead-2 hydroxide. So first of all, lead-2, that's Roman numeral 2 there. That means it's lost 2 electrons. If you can see there, so it's Pb minus 2 electrons. E is for an electron. And then it has a charge of 2 plus. Okay? Or plus 2, however you want to say it. Now the same thing can happen with lead-4. Except now in lead-4, that's Roman numeral 4, it loses 4 electrons. And has a charge of plus 4 or 4 plus. Okay? So now hydroxide, on the other hand, is what's called a polyatomic ion. It's made up of 2 atoms strung together, an oxygen and a hydrogen, and overall it has a charge of -1. Okay? So now if we want to put these together, if we look at a set of formulas for this, so if you have Pb 2 plus, that's lead 2 plus, it would take 2 hydroxides -1 each to balance that. You always want to get to 0, so that would be PbOH2. If on the other hand you have lead-4, which lost 4 electrons, you would need 4 hydroxides to get to this PbOH4. That's lead-4 hydroxide. Now that may not make much sense just looking at this, reaction. So let's look at the Ionic Disc Model, which makes it much simpler and easier to understand. So here I have my lead. Let's put it up here, lead-2, and it's going to take 2 hydroxides. So I just stick them on there. There they are. And I have 1, 2 hydroxides. So that's lead-2 hydroxide. And if I do the same thing now, but with lead-4, so here I have lead-4. Okay, let's straighten that out a bit. Okay, so now it's got 4 pluses because it lost 4 electrons. So it's going to take 4 hydroxides now to balance it. So 1, 2, 3, and, oops, not there. There. Lead-4 hydroxide. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Lead-4 hydroxide. It's simple. Combining the ion flashcards and the ionic bonding disc model, it makes it easy. You don't need to be afraid of chemistry. It's very logical. It makes sense. If you know the terms, it's simple. It's so simple. You guys could ace it easily. So we've got, those are the flashcards are available on Amazon right now, and the Ionic Bond Disc Model is on a pre-order campaign from our website, scienceglen.com. Check it out. Thanks.